What is going on, people, and welcome back to another video. First of all, I'd just like to say hello to all the new subscribers, and what's up to all the OGs. Hope you're all good, hope you're all having a good day. So yeah, today we have got another Southeast of Ags page meet. First of all though, I've got an hour, so nice cup of coffee, some fruit, something to eat, shower, get ready, and then we'll be heading off. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we're on the way. We're going on a trip in my favourite rocket ship. Oh yeah. Ah, damn it. I just realised I'm going to need to stop at the petrol garage and fill some fuels up. Otherwise I'm not going to make it there, boss. Much better. We should at least make it halfway there now. Just currently waiting for the tow rack to come out. Come on, mate. Let's go! Got a nice little 3-car cruise going on. You record me, mate. I'm going to record you. Excuse my crack. Right, guys, this could be seen as a bit of an unfair test, but let's see how Auto Finesse does. It's obviously a very dirty car. Soft brush, but the brush works really well. Gets all of that dirt off, so I'm going to give the whole bonnet a brush over, and then we're going to quick detail it. So considering that was just a quick brush over, I think that's come up pretty well. So we have the Auto Perfection ceramic infused quick detailer. So granted, I'm not using the correct cloth or anything, I'm using a towel. Gonna get this towel nice and wet because we've got a lot to scrub off of this. That is not bad. Bloody hell. Look at that. Now it's time for some Auto Perfection contamination remover. Good douse. Ooh. That stuff really smells. Jeez. So that's the contamination remover. It says to leave that 3 to 5 minutes. Done one of the wheels too, as you can see. Very dirty wheel. Did this wheel as well. Give it some time. So as you can see, guys, we're starting to get all the contaminant lifting out. Look at all of that. My God. Absolutely disgusting. So we are 5 minutes in now. And as you can see, like I say, there is a lot in that. Wheels, they're good to go, I think. Definitely this side. Well, what can I say? I am impressed. Well, they come up a treat, didn't they? Just a quick wipe over. Lovely. Lovely stuff. Well, I'm not going to lie. For a quick detail and a contaminant remover, what a difference that has made. I would literally put my word on Auto Perfection. proof's in the pudding. Absolutely banging stuff, and that little soft brush, brilliant for a dirty situation like this. Well, I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty happy with that for a quick scrub up. I'll be fucked if I'm doing the rest of the car though. Hell no! But yeah, not bad stuff. Right, so she's up. Let's see what's going on with this exhaust. So, I believe it's coming from the manifold. Yeah, I can feel a blow at the top. Okay, I think what I need to do, these bolts are B&Q. They're not the strongest by any means. That all looks to be okay. That looks to be okay. That yeah, so that has got some blowout of it by the sounds of it. Right, that's me all done. Exhaust is all tightened up. Give it a little clean up as well, look at that. Nice and clean in there. But yeah, exhaust is all done, tightened up, so it'll be what it will be now. I hope, fingers crossed, that it's all good. Start her up, give her a little test. And we'll see what the plan is. See how she sounds. Off the immobiliser. Out of gear. Ah, she'll do. That's better than it was. And that'll be that, boys and girls. I also forgot to add that we have the black sun visors in now as well. So yeah, another little thing done. So I know a lot of you most probably see that as it looks right now, but I see it as something like that. That car's got so much potential that it could end up to be a really nice little car. Well, I say little, I mean, you know, they're big engines, but that's a beautiful little car. So that's what I see that like with this. What's going on, guys? You all know the drill. We've got another Southeast Facts page meet, and as per usual, I'm running on fume. As you guys can see, that little magical light there is always on. Absolute bane of my life. But we shall shortly fix that problem and then be on our way again. Hey! On second thoughts, do you think if I stick a bit of black, like electrical tape over it, that it might trick the van into thinking that we've got fuel? And then we can just sort of forget about that. You know, never have to worry about that again. That'd be bloody handy. Volkswagen, can you sort this out, please? So, obviously, this is a car meet, and I'm not in a car. And the guys don't know, so still a bag. That's all that matters. Still a bag group car, so they can't say anything. But we shall get some reactions when I turn up. Noisy. You saw me. Oh, was it him? Mate, that thing will cause accidents. I won't lie guys, I almost forgot the outro to this video, so I'm currently doing it at work on my way home. Yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, it really does help me out. And thank you to everyone that already does that, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have had or are having a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.